be doing like 10,000 split test. So your screen is probably going to look different than mine. So what you want to do is in the upper left hand corner or wherever you see it, go to the drop down and then you're going to look for books. All right. First thing you want to do, books. And then we're going to type in the subject, right? This is the subject, the genre, the topic that we're considering publishing content around. We'll type in, how about keto? Keto. I usually like to use at least 2 words. I never like to just put in 1 word. Excuse me. So 2 words. So keto diet. So here's what we're looking for. The first thing is, and make a note of these. We're looking for books that have at least 500 reviews or more. 500 reviews or more. All right? 500 reviews or more. And if you really want to, like, you don't have to look like hard to find them. So here's one here. So we've got one. Here's another one here. Here's another one here. So we're gonna open some of these up. I'll open this one up. So the first criteria is they need to have, and I'm gonna fly through this, right, to save some time. But they need to have at least 500 reviews or more. There's a ton of books that actually have 500 reviews or more. The next thing is you want to make sure that they have at least 4 stars or more. So 4 stars or more. You see, this one has 4.3. This one has 4.3 as well. Let's go over here. This one has 4.4, so fits the second criteria, right? First criteria, second criteria. Now, the third thing is you want to make sure that they're being sold, right? Like people are actually going in their wallet or in their purse, taking off their credit card or using the credit card that's on file and buying this thing. All right. So you want to make sure that there's a price somewhere around here. If it says free, like 0 for Kindle Unlimited or audiobook, that's fine. You just want to see where somewhere, maybe it's the paperback version or the audiobook version, somewhere there's a price attached. So this one fits. This one fits because the hardcover, the paperback, the audio are being sold. This one fits the paperback. The Kindle is being sold here. So this fits, right? You want to make sure that there is a price attached somewhere. And it does not have to be with the Kindle version. If the Kindle version is free, that's fine. I just want to make sure that's clear to everyone. Now, the next thing is, so we have the 500 plus reviews. We have 4 or more star ratings. We have a price point. Now, the fourth thing is we're going to come down here and we want to make sure that the sales rank, the best sellers rank, is at 25,000 or less. Now, not these numbers. Let's be very clear here. It's going to be the best sellers rank, 25,000 or less. So this one fits our criteria, right, in all areas. Let's come down here. Let's see. This one fits our criteria as well. So now here, I'm gonna give you a warning. These are very low numbers, right? Keto dieting is hot. We stumbled upon something that was really hot. Most times when you're doing your research like this, you'll find books that are maybe in the ranges of 10, 15, 20,000. You know, you'll see numbers that are way out there, 1,000,000, 500,000, 50,000. But we want ours to be less than 25,000, not more than, less than 25,000, because the lower the bestsellers rank, the BSR, the more that book is selling. So like this one is 9,410. So does that make sense? Give me a big yes really quickly if that makes sense. So type in the comments box, what are the 4 criteria that we're looking for? If you've been, hopefully you've been paying attention, right? So those are the 4 criteria that we're looking for. So now let me go back over to Keynote here. Let me see who has it. Right, so that's how we do market research on Amazon. So now, when we find books that meet all 4 of those criteria, those are amazing books that we can model. Those are money makers, right? Those are books that pay for the vacations, that pay for the cars, that pay for the emergency expenses that come up, that pay for the mortgages, right? Those are the ones there. Okay, so now, another site that I like to use to do my market research is Udemy as well. But again, for sake of time, we're gonna kind of pass that one up here because there's some other cool stuff that I want to show you. So now here,